Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Kemei Cordless trimmers model 1071. This trimmer has a 1500 milliamp battery. It can be used on all age groups and it feels like a very high quality trimmer. As you can see, the box, in the back of the box, it shows you your taper, adjustment lever, your power switch, your battery that has an LED reading on it, and your carbon steel cutter blades. So let's unbox it. So you have one instruction manual. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. This trimmer takes around 3 hours to fully charge, and the box says that it can be used for 240 minutes. So these are the combs that it comes with. As you can see, there are 6 combs, so that's number 1 to number 6. One charging cable. There's no head, it's just a charging cable, USB 2, and on the other end is a small pen charger head. One cleaning brush. And this is the Kemei Cordless trimmer, guys. So it has a grip in the front, as you can see the diamond cover there in the front to give you a good grip. That's your taper lever adjustment. Guys, the taper doesn't feel very strong and very good. The machine has a good weight to it, has a good feel. However, the taper didn't sound good. It didn't feel good either. As you can see, the carbon steel blades at the back. The blades look very strong, guys. The machine is a 0.3 millimeter gapped, so that is quite sharp. As you can hear it on, it sounds very powerful, has good power to it. It feels very comfortable in your hand to cut hair if you're a barber or if you're cutting your own hair. It has an LED strip in the front, so you can see when you're charging your machine the level of charge it's on. The blades look very sharp, very good quality blades, but the taper, again, I'm not too happy with. I don't think the taper would last very long. Apart, overall, I think this is a good machine, guys.